Okay, Avery. So our Amazon boxes have arrived, and inside this one is what we are going to be. They're things that we're going to be using for this week's episode of Agape Science and Baking.
Mom?
Can you open it? Tell me what's in the box. Then I want you to guess what you think we're going to be doing this week.
I think we're going to use citric acid.
That is citric acid.
And some gloves for me, some gloves for you.
Yes, and that's because our citric acid is highly corrosive.
Mommy, are we gonna make...
So our citric acid is highly corrosive, so we do need gloves when handling it. So you've got a pair of kid rubber gloves, Mommy has a pair of rubber gloves, and we have some citric acid.
Mom? I think we're gonna make a volcano. We'll make it like explode.
We already made a volcano.
Oh.
Something new. Do you have any ideas? We're going to be using sugar with our citric acid.
Salt?
Nope, just sugar. And we're going to be using an apple with our yummy snack.
What snack?
That we're going to make this week. Any ideas? What about you guys at home? Can you help Avery come up with what we're going to be doing this week? Any ideas on what type of science experiments or what type of yummy treats? Drop us a comment below letting us know what you think.